Oh, I got one. What the hell? Hey, how's it going? Last few weeks I've been trying for a Chinook, but I haven't been having any luck catching them, so today I decided to come out and see if I could get a few trout. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. Hope you guys enjoy. Got one. I got one finally. I can feel him tugging. Hopefully it's not a sucker. Oh. Oh, he's going way in there. Oh. Little trout. Oh, missed him. There we go. First one of the day.
I didn't feel him on the hook at first.
Oh, I got one. What the hell? See him jumping over there? I didn't even know I had one on. Oh, where's my net? Oh. Oh. He's coming way over here. Damn it, these rocks. Oh. This is another one. Little guy, I guess. Oh. Oh. Oh, I had to catch him. They're the same size as the other one. Yeah, nice one. Now the second one.